A warm welcome to our respective faculty, Shakunthala madam. In this video, we are going to see about the Signals and System mini project, and our team members are Sriram, Srihari, Shivakumar, Vijay. Our title is Water Quality Monitoring System. This system is used to monitor the water quality.
Introduction. In order to ensure the safe supply of the drinking water, the quality needs to be monitored in real time. Therefore, a low-cost real-time water quality monitoring system had been developed for water quality monitoring in smart city. This intended approach helped to replace the former way of manual testing by updating the sensors information over an applications platform. The system consists of several sensors is used to be measuring physical and chemical parameters of the water. The parameters such as pH and turbidity can be measured. These parameters were essential in order to detect water contamination. Turbidity sensor detect water quality by measuring level, cloudiness, harshness in the water. Detect suspended particles in water by measuring the scattering rate and the light transmittance. This sensor gives an output in the form of analog signal.
Now we can see the connections of this system. Turbidity analog pin is connected to the Arduino pin A node, and it is the 5 volt. Ground is connected to the ground. Next, the OLED display. Here we are using the data pin that is connected to the Arduino A4 pin. Then the clock is connected to the A5 pin. Then the VCC is 5 volts, and the ground is connected to the ground.
Here, this is the Arduino sketch for the water quality monitoring system. Here we declare Adafruit GFX and Adafruit SSD1306 for the OLED display and define the screen width and screen height as 128 and 64 respectively. In void setup, we declare serial begin as 9600 and here we declare the screen address for the OLED display. In void loop, we declare a variable called ter to get input from the analog rig A0 pin. Here we are printing the value which we are getting from the turbidity sensor and set a delay 2000. We declare a variable called old. As we get input as digital form, we need to convert it to analog form to read the input. So we declare a formula to convert that digital signals into analog signals and store it in a variable. Here we use conditional statement. Here 4.92 is the standard quality of good drinking water. If we get readings from the turbidity sensor below 4.92 is considered to be a good quality of water and it prints in the OLED display as good drinking water. If we get above 4.92 is considered to be a turbid water or bad water, which is not a good quality of water, hence it prints bad quality of water in the OLED display. And in print OLED, we set parameters to print the text size, text color in the OLED display. This is the Arduino sketch for this project. Next we go to the working of the project. At first, we immerse the turbidity sensor in a clean drinking water. As we get the readings below the standard quality, it displays as good in the OLED display. And next, here we place a turbid water and immerse the turbidity sensor inside the water. As we get the value higher than the standard value, it displays as bad in OLED display.
Conclusion. In this proposed work, the design and deployment of the real-time water quality monitoring system using wireless network had been presented. The readings of the pH and turbidity of the water samples will be later on displayed via mobile application. The system can monitor water quality automatically and it is low in cost and does not require people on duty. So the water quality testing is likely to be more economical, convenient and fast. The system has good flexibility only by replacing the corresponding sensors and changing the relevant software programs. The system can be used to monitor other water quality parameters. The operation is simple. The system can be expanded to monitor hydrologic, air pollution, industrial and agriculture production and so on. It has widespread application and extension value. By implementing this method of idea, there will be safe drinking of water in future and the quality of water is monitored and checked wherever where.